Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the Appalachian Home and to the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. So in today's video, I am making these wooden farmhouse style stamped books, and what I used was some decking boards we used when we built our porch. They're about 5.5 by 8 inches and 1 inch thick. I also used some buffalo check ribbon that I got at Walmart. There's about 9 feet in this roll. And I'm also using these little decals that I made using my Cricut maker and some red vinyl. And if you want to do this, I did it on Design Space using Courier New font. So the first thing I did was just sand the rough edges and get all the splinters off of these boards. You don't have to use decking boards. I think these are about 1 inch thick. So any board about that size will probably work fine. These decals were cut with Cricut Maker, but you can definitely cut some stencils or use stencils for this project. I'm just using some red vinyl. I believe the brand is American Crafts. I got it really cheap at a store called Tuesday Morning. And I'm also using, again, the clear transfer tape that I've used in my previous videos to transfer all these letters. And last, I just tied all the books together using this buffalo check ribbon from Walmart. You can glue your books together, but I just wanted mine to stay loose if I wanted to do something different with them. And that is all I did for this project. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some great inspiration. I'll see you guys back on Wednesday with 2 more Christmas DIY projects. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe if you like these videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.